What up? It's your boy Justin coming back. It's my first video. So just want to show you guys one of my cars I got. This is my Toyota MR2 right here. I don't know if you can see, I'll probably turn the camera around, but I'm gonna show you it's a 91 Toyota MR2 with a k20 swap, 6262 turbo. Yeah, so this is the turbo right here, 6262 k20. It's making about 600 wheel right now. I could turn it up to 730 wheel. So yeah, got Mickey Thompson's on here, 275s. Got my Tesla 50 horsepower sticker. Let's see what else we got. I got 500 horsepower axles. I got a Clutch Masters twin disc clutch, power tune, digital dash, rolling anti-lag. Comes with an AEM standalone system. Let's see here. Was that a K-tune shifter? That's the rolling anti-lag button. Got some gauges up here. Let's see what else I got. I'll show you the fuel cell. So we about to go on a little ride. So, and I actually have heat. I put heat in it. I don't got AC, but that's the fuel cell. I believe it's a 10-gallon. The motor's not sleeved or anything, but it's it has pistons, rods. It doesn't have. Yeah, it's not sleeved. Has 4X or Gear X gears. So it's semi-built. I mean, it's nothing crazy. But yeah, it runs 600 wheel. I think the car weighs about 2,800 pounds. So yeah, we're about to go on a little ride.